Well, good morning, Jagender Rana here. So we are taking up today burglary insurance. Burglary insurance. See, a burglary insurance policy is a type of policy that provides you coverage for the financial loss or damage which you may suffer due to burglary, theft, or attempted burglary into your house or business premises. So, burglary is termed as when someone enters into your property forcefully with the intention of stealing and violence in an unlawful manner. So, burglary insurance promises you to keep your possessions safe and secure under the aforesaid circumstances. This insurance is often referred to as the crime insurance too, for business organizations and even for homes. It is an important insurance plan like other policies. Because when you spend money purchasing content and precious things for your business or house, it becomes important to keep them safe. So as the crime rate is increasing, the chances of your property or contents being stolen rises higher. And as a result of that, you might face a huge financial problem. So to give you relief from the huge financial loss due to burglary and theft, burglary insurance policy is a masiha that not only keeps your assured possessions protected, but also unburdens you from the anxiety, economical trouble. So let us see what are the key features of the burglary insurance. Because burglary insurance policy assures you to keep your insured property secured with it. And the key highlights of the policy includes wide range of eligibility, because this insurance can be brought by the homeowners, tenants, business owners, and even by the business organizations to keep their property safe against burglary. There's extensive coverage because burglary insurance covers money in transit, business premises, cash and safe, jewelry, and other valuables. And coverage for physical damage and property damage is there. Means burglary insurance offers protection for physical damage as well as property damage too against the financial losses arising out of the forceful entry by an intruder into your insured property, and also for the forceful theft of the theft of property within the office or house premises. And protection against theft and robbery is there, because an insured can also safeguard his property against theft and robbery under this policy if that protection is available with the company or the insurer. Multiple options are there. There is a wide range of types of burglary insurance. You can choose from those according to your convenience. Plus additional benefits are there. You can extend your burglary policy by adding different add-ons that are available with the insurer according to your requirements. Cover for all business properties are available, whether you are willing to safeguard your family, businesses, offices, space, rented stores or chains of stores. Most of the burglary insurances are suitable for all types of business, no matter how small or big it is. The flexibility is there. This insurance policy is flexible enough, and the coverage can be adjusted according to the requirement of the insured. A smooth and easy it is, because just like all other insurance policies introduced by IRDAI, the features of the burglary insurance policies are customer friendly, easy to avail of. The policy wordings are written in lucid and placid language. Plus there is a value for money, because burglary insurance goes to protect your property from losses or damages against burglary and theft. So the amount of money you pay as the premium for this insurance is totally worthy of. Now question is, who can avail the burglary insurance policy? As burglaries are unpredictable and may cause you huge financial losses, most of the insurance companies keep their eligibility criteria for availing this policy wide open and feasible. So see who are the eligible persons, because homeowners can take, if you own a house, no matter how big or small it is, you can avail of this policy as the house is one of the most valuable possessions. Renters can also take, even if you own a rented property, this policy is open for you. Small business owners, if you run a small independent business, that might be a small general store or a small boutique or whatever, you are eligible to avail of this policy. Then medium business owners, if you run a chain of general stores, restaurants or medium-sized enterprises, the burglary insurance policy is also suited for medium-sized business owners to cover any damages and losses that could be caused due to any burglary or theft. And large enterprises also can take this policy. If you own multiple properties for the large operations of your business, a burglary insurance policy becomes important for your business to lessen the business risks. So you are always welcome to avail of this insurance policy. Then there are common types of burglary insurance policies. Most of the insurance companies in India offer a wide range of burglary insurance to keep the policy client friendly, so that they can choose a particular one according to their convenience. So the below mentioned are some common type policies. Means there are some common type policies of burglary. For example, stock depletion policy. So there are some businesses that cannot estimate the exact value of their stock in trade. So for this type of business owners, stock depletion policy is an ideal one that takes the highest value of the stock as the sum insured, so that the maximum damages or loss can be sufficiently reimbursed. Then first loss policy. Under this policy, a portion of the stock is insured that is more exposed to the risk of burglary. So this type of policy becomes vital when the total loss cannot be possibly estimated. Full value policy. This type of burglary policy covers the asset for its full value, so that in case of loss or damage to the product, the full value can be claimed. The next one is money in transit insurance. This policy is very relevant for those businesses where the movement of physical cash is frequently involved, as it offers coverage against theft or burglary to the money while that is in transit. And then business premises insurance. This policy compensates for the loss or damage to the insured property due to burglary or theft within the business premises. For dwelling insurance, this type of burglary insurance policy provides protection to the residential house against the risk of theft or burglary. Then for jewelers and valuables, jewelry and valuable policy. If you own precious jewelry, valuable assets, works of art, and other precious possessions, this policy will safeguard all of your valuable possessions from burglary and theft. And the last one is cash and safe policy. If you keep your cash in the safe or in a locker in your house or business premises, and still after that it gets stolen or theft, this policy compensates for the loss or damage of insured items. Now, what are the inclusions of the burglary insurance policy? Means a burglary policy allows you to insure a wide range of properties within your business and home premises. It provides multiple coverages to keep your possessions safe and secure against the risk of burglary and theft. So here are some certain inclusions like Coverage against forceful and unlawful entry. If someone enters your home or business premises forcefully, breaking the law with the intention of stealing and violence, this insurance policy compensates for the financial losses that you suffer due to damage or loss of insured possessions. Then protection against theft and burglary. If the insured assets within your home or business premises is theft or burgled, the insurer will take care of your financial loss. Cover for cash in safe. If you keep your cash in safe or in a locker securely, and still after that it is stolen or burgled, this policy covers that financial loss too. In this case, there remains few clauses that may vary from company to company. And shield for jewelry and other valuable assets. A burglary insurance also offers coverage for precious jewelry, gemstones, valuable assets, works of art, and few other expensive possessions in case those are stolen or burgled. Protection for money in transit. If your physical money while it is in transit gets theft or burgled, this policy will compensate for that loss too. Additional benefits that are available under the policy is mentioned or policy are available are like death. The policy will compensate the sum insured if the insured or insured family or any employee of the insured dies solely and directly due to an incident of burglary or housebreaking occurring during the period of insurance. So normally burglary policy will not compensate it, but this provision can be made. Permanent total disablement, the insurer will pay the sum insured if the insured and or insured family or employees or insured suffer permanent total disablement solely and directly due to an accident of burglary or housebreaking which occurs during the period of insurance. Normally the insurance companies are selling package policies where the fire, burglary, personal accident, employees compensation insurance, all these sections are included and they all relates from one another. So even personal effects, the policy covers loss of clothing and personal effects excluding money which occurred due to an insured event up to the amount of rupees 50,000. Seasonal or festive increase, the sum insured for stock is increased by 10% or INR 1 lakh, whichever is lesser during the New Year or Diwali, depends upon the coverage of the policy. So there are types of personal and business property and assets covered like individual apartment. This policy can be availed by those who live in independent flats that are either part of housing societies or standalone buildings. The same can be either your own property or rented property. Then independent buildings, it might be possible that you and your extended family live in a standalone building where you might be the owner or the renter in the entire building. In that case, you can choose to cover the entire building under this policy if this benefit is available with the insurer. Yes, a separate exclusive burglary policy can be taken for the entire building. And the independent villa or house, if you own or have rented an independent villa or house, burglary insurance coverage is vital to protect your villa and its contents from the potential risk of burglary. So types of business properties that are covered under this policy are mobile, automobile and other electronic shops, grocery and general stationaries, offices and educational places, business of home repairs or house help services like carpentry, plumbing, engineering workshop, motor garages, personal homes, lifestyle and fitness including the malls, food and eatery shops ranging from cafe, restaurant, chain of restaurants, bakery to food trucks, centers that provide healthcare services like hospitals, medicines, shops, surgical stores, clinic, diagnostic centers, and so on. Apart from the above said business, burglary insurance policy usually covers all type of businesses, be it a small, medium, or big. The types of eligible business property for coverage may vary from company to company. So, general exclusions include willful damage, damage by the employee, bills or accounts, war, strike right, nuclear activities, missing properties, actions of government, removal of contents, unattended premises, and natural calamities. Like any loss or damage suffered during natural calamities were like flood, earthquake, typhoon, tornado, storm, and some others are not protected by this policy. So this is one policy which is safeguarding against the property or the houses from theft and burglary, because theft is different, burglary is different. Burglary has the forcible entry where the application of force is there. So this is good for all residential and commercial premises. Thank you very much.